steal پټول. Someone tried to steal my phone. چا زما د فون د پټولو کوشش وکړو. Someone tried to steal my phone. Thief غل. The police caught the thief. پولیس غل ونیو. The police caught the thief. Advance ترقی. Technology is advancing rapidly. فنیات په تیزۍ سره ترقی کوي. Technology is advancing rapidly. Athlete لوبغاړی. He is a professional athlete. هغه یو پیشور لوبغاړی دی. He is a professional athlete. Average اوسط. His average score is 80. د هغه اوسط حساب اتیا دی. His average score is 80. Behavior چلند. His behavior is very polite. د هغه چلند ډیر مهذب دی. His behavior is very polite. Behind شاته. The car is behind the house. موټر د کور شاته دی. The car is behind the house. Course نصاب. I am taking an English course. زه د انګریزۍ نصاب کوم. I am taking an English course. Lower کم کړه. Please lower your voice. आवाज دې کم کړه. Please lower your voice. Match لوبه. The football match was exciting. د فوټبال لوبه په زړه پورې وه. په زړه پورې وه یعنی دلچسپ وه. The football match was exciting. Member غړي. She is a member of our team. هغه زمونږ د ډلې غړي ده. She is a member of our team. Mental ذهني. Mental health is important. ذهني روغتیا مهمه ده. Mental health is important. Passenger مسافر. The bus has 50 passenger. په بس کې 50 مسافر دي. The bus has 50 passenger. Personality شخصیت. He has a great personality. هغه د ښکلي شخصیت مالک دی. He has a great personality. Poem نظم. She wrote a beautiful poem. هغې یو ښکلی نظم ولیکو. She wrote a beautiful poem. Pole ستنه. A flag was hanging on the pole. په ستنه باندې بیرغ ځوړنده وه. A flag was hanging on the pole. Remove لر کړه. Please remove your shoes. پایزار دې لر کړه. Please remove your shoes. یعنی پایزار دې د خپو نه وکاږه. Safety حفاظت. Your safety is our priority. ستا حفاظت زمونږ ترجیح دی. Your safety is our priority. Shoot ډزې کول. The police did not shoot. Police ډزې نه دي کړي. The police did not shoot. Sound आواز. I heard a strange sound. ما یو عجیبه آواز واوریدو. I heard a strange sound. Swim لامبه وهل. Can you swim in deep water? آیا ته په ژورو اوبو کې لامبه وهلی شې؟ Can you swim in deep water? Web جال. The spider made a big web. جولا یو غټ جال جوړ کړو. The spider made a big web. Block بندول. A car is blocking the road. موټر سړک بندوي. A car is blocking the road. Cheer خوشحالي. The crowd cheered for the team. ګڼې ګوڼې د ډلې دپاره خوشحالي معنا وکړه. The crowd cheered for the team. Complex پیچیده. This math problem is complex. د حساب دا سوال پیچیده دی. This math problem is complex. Critic ګوتنیونکی. The critic gave a bad review. ګوتنیونکی ناوړه رایه ورکړه. The critic gave a bad review. Event تقریب. The event was well organized. تقریب په ښه طریقې سره منظم و. The event was well organized. Exercise ورزش. Exercise keeps you healthy. ورزش تاسو صحتمند ساتي. Exercise keeps you healthy. Fit برابر. These shoes fit me perfectly. دا پایزار په ما برابر دي. These shoes fit me perfectly. Friendship ملګرتیا. Our friendship is very strong. زمونږ ملګرتیا ډیره مضبوطه ده. Our friendship is very strong. Guide رهنمایی کول. He will guide you through the city. په ښار کې به هغه ستا رهنمایی وکړي. He will guide you through the city. Lack کمی. He failed due to a lack of effort. هغه د کوشش د کمی د وجې ناکام شو. He failed due to a lack of effort. Passage لاره. The passage is too narrow. لاره ډیره تنګه ده. The passage is too narrow. Pressure دباو. Too much pressure is not good. ډیر زیات دباو ښه نه وي. Too much pressure is not good. Probable ممکن. Rain is probable tomorrow. ممکن ده چې سبا باران وشي. Rain is probable tomorrow. Public عوام. The park is open to the public. چمن عوام ته کولاو دی. The park is open to the public. strike हड़ताल. The workers are on strike. मजदوران په هړتال کې دي. The workers are on strike. Support ملاتړ. I support my friends in tough times. زه په سخت وخت کې د خپلو ملګرو ملاتړ کوم. I support my friends in tough times. Task کار. This is a difficult task. دا یو ګران کار دی. This is a difficult task. Term لفظ. This term means success. دا لفظ د کامیابی د پاره استعمالیږي. This term means success. Unite موټی کېدل. We must unite for a better future. مونږ له د هر راتلونکي د پاره موټی کېدل پکار دي. We must unite for a better future. Associate شریک کول. I associate coffee with morning. زه سحر کافی شریک کوم. I associate coffee with morning. Environment چاپیریال. We should protect the environment. مونږ له د چاپیریال حفاظت کول پکار دي. We should protect the environment. Factory کارخانه. My uncle works in a factory. زما تره په یو کارخانه کې کار کوي. My uncle works in a factory. Feature خصوصیت. The phone has a new feature. په دې فون کې یو نوی خصوصیت دی. The phone has a new feature. Instance مثال. This is an instance of kindness. دا د مهربانۍ یو مثال دی. This is an instance of kindness. Involve شاملول. The project involve teamwork. دا منصوبه ډله‌ییز کار شاملوي. The project involve teamwork. Medicine دوايي. Take your medicine on time. دوايي دی په وخت خوره. Take your medicine on time. Mix ګډول. Mix sugar with water. چینی په اوبو کې ګډ کړه. Mix sugar with water. Perform کارکردگی ښودل. She performed well in the play. هغې په ډرامه کې ښه کارکردگي وښودله. She performed well in the play. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.